Namaskaram friends, welcome to StockEdge. Myself Tufan from the StockEdge team. If you are not aware, StockEdge is a SEBI registered platform. So let's have a look at what has happened today in the market. So you can see that all the index today closed in green. So at the top it's Nifty Realty followed by small IT stocks and telecom stocks, and then we have PSU Bank, financial stocks, metal, healthcare, all closed in green today. Clear? And Nifty is up by more than 1%. To be precise, it's 1.29%. But what has happened today all of a sudden? Let's have a look at Nifty's chart. So this is a daily chart of Nifty. You can see, right? This is daily chart. Today, open was 24,787 and low was 24,783. So it was almost open is equal to low, right? Now let's go to intraday chart once. So I'm going to a 5 minutes chart of Nifty. So you can see that since the open, this is the opening candle, since the open it was above this 20 EMA. This is 20 EMA. Clear? So why 20? Just you can put 20, you can put 21, whatever. I have used 20 because number of days in 1 month is 20 to 22. That is a number of trading days, right? So from that perspective, you can use 20 or 21. So I have used 20 here, and you can see that since the initial moment, it went higher and it respected this level. Again, it came down a bit over here, and after that, it went up, and throughout this particular session, it respected 20 EMA. At the fag end, there was some big candle. Why? It was due to FTSE rebalancing today. That's the reason there was a big green candle at the opening of last half an hour, and again at the fag end, it came down. But you see the magic of this particular EMA, it exactly made a low and closed around this 20 EMA, right? Now let's go to daily chart of Nifty. I would like to show few important things related to Nifty from here. The levels that you need to track are, on the upside you need to track 25,222. That is the high of this particular candle. Clear? And on the downside, obviously, as it is more than 25,000 now, you need to track 25,000, the initial psychological level on the downside, 25,000. Clear? And below that, you need to track this 24,900. 24,900. These are all short-term, immediate supports and resistance. Clear? Now the important fact that I would like to raise here, let's go to weekly chart of Nifty, and I'm changing this chart to line chart, from candlestick to line chart. So after this September closing in weekly, after this September closing of weekly, this is the first highest close in weekly since October 2024. So since October 2024, Nifty gave the highest closing in weekly. So it deserves attention. Clear? Now, why these things has happened? Because Trump has given an open offer to Iran to solve this war issue through dialogue. And that's the main reason market is discounting optimism. Clear? Now, let me show you Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty too, you can see that it gave a smart breakout today and regained this 20-day EMA and closed above it around 56,252. So the next level on the upside that you need to track here are 56, 782, that is the high of this particular candle, and above which obviously it should be 57,000, which is also an important psychological level. And on the downside, you need to track 55,380 and 55,149. That is the low of this candle and the low of this particular candle. Clear? Now, a few things that I would also like to share with you are Nifty small cap. So you can see that Nifty small cap, that is 250, which almost reflects the broader market with small cap stocks. So this particular candle today, it did not even cross 50% of yesterday's candle. I am in daily chart of Nifty small cap, and today's close is below 20 EMA. Now let me show you dollar index, and I'm going to weekly chart of dollar index. So this particular chart holds the key from here, because I have also shared this chart earlier that since 2007-8 I have extended this particular channel. You can see from 2007-8, right? And extended this channel, and every time it came closer to this particular floor of this channel, it went higher, it went higher, it went higher, right? And currently it is exactly hovering just on the verge, or you can say on the floor of this particular channel. So until and unless it bounces back, obviously it's good for emerging markets, specifically India, because it has an inverse relation with emerging markets, right? Now, I would also like to share crude, because we are net importer of Brent crude. So I'm going to Brent crude spot. In Delhi, you can see that currently it is hovering above this particular last swing high, right? And that's a major concern that I would like to raise here. And if you just go to monthly chart of this crude, that is also very concerning. You can see that I have extended a line from this particular high. I can also change this to line chart for better understanding. You can see that I have drawn this downward sloping channel or line from this high and extended this particular line, and currently it is above this line, which is basically from the high of mid 2022. So this is a major concern for India. Clear? Because we are one of the largest importer of Brent crude. So I have shown you the positive aspect or the positive side in Nifty, that it has given highest weekly closing since October 2024. And on the other hand, Brent crude is hovering above this downward sloping major resistance, right? So this week holds the key, because Iran has been given the proposal to solve this matter through dialogue. Now we all need to see that how Iran responds from here. So if you like this video, don't forget to put a thumbs up, and obviously put your comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend. Goodbye.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.